Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Topic Study Podcast. Hi Mike, I'm Sarah, and today we're continuing our Topic 1 reading series. That's right, Sarah. This is Lesson 7, Practice Test Questions 21 to 40, and Error Analysis. The second half of the reading section. This is where many students start to feel the pressure. Questions 21 to 40 include notices, schedules, advertisements, and short passages. But don't worry, by the end of this lesson, you will have all the strategies you need. Let's start with time management. For questions 21 to 40, aim to finish in 25 to 30 minutes. That means about 1 to 1.5 minutes per question. Don't spend too long on any single question. In Korea, they say 시간 운지음이다, which means time is gold. Very true for the TOPIK exam. That's a great saying. Okay, let's talk about the question types in this section. The main question types are fill in the blank, reading comprehension, sentence ordering, and image matching. Reading comprehension questions often use notices and announcements. These are called gongjimun in Korean. Gongjimun. These are very practical texts you see in everyday Korean life. Like library notices, culture center programs, swimming lesson announcements, all very useful Korean. Let's review some key vocabulary. First, words related to notices and applications. Sinchung means application or registration. Magam means deadline. These two words always appear together in Korean notices. Sinchung magam il means application deadline. And ha-rin means discount. Very important word for shopping in Korea. True, Korean students love a good discount. 50% off is 50% ha-rin. Also remember ye약 means reservation, and shwiso means cancellation. If you make a reservation but cannot go, you say 예약을 shwiso hago 싶어요. I want to cancel my reservation. Now let's talk about grammar patterns that frequently appear in questions 21 to 40. The first important pattern means if you want to do something. For example, if you want to participate, please apply. Another key pattern means must or have to. For example, you must make a reservation. And the pattern meaning must not or not allowed. For example, no photos allowed. Let's walk through some practice questions. Question 21 is a fill in the blank about breakfast. Every morning I eat blank. Then I go to school. The answer is 아침 밥, which specifically means breakfast as a meal. Many students choose 아침 alone, but 아침 by itself means morning as a time, not the meal. Question 22 is about weather and clothing. If the weather was blank, I wore a coat. The answer is 추웠어요, because it was cold. A coat is for cold weather, not warm or cool weather. Remember, 춥다 means cold enough to need a coat, while 시원하다 means pleasantly cool like a nice breeze. Question 26 has a contrast structure. At first it was difficult, but now I can speak blank Korean. The answer is 조금, meaning a little. After studying for 1 year, being able to speak a little is natural progress. Watch out for jeonhyo and juldae. These must be used with negative verbs only. Question 31 is about Korean numbers. The answer is samman 1, which is 30,000 won. In Korean, man means 10,000, so samman is 3 times 10,000, which equals 30,000. Number comprehension is very important in the TOPIK exam. Practice counting in Korean every day. Question 37 is a sentence ordering question. Look for connector words to determine the order. The word geurasio means so or therefore. It always introduces a result, so it comes at the end. Question 38 is about Korean culture, Seoul. The Lunar New Year. Children receive Se Bat Don. Se Bat Don is money given to children after they bow to elders. It's like a Korean New Year gift. I wish we had that tradition. Imagine getting money just for bowing politely. Well, in Korea you have to bow correctly. It's called Se Bae, and there's a proper way to do it. Now let's talk about the most important part of today's lesson, error analysis, or ODAP Bun Sok. ODAP Bun Sok means analyzing wrong answers. It's how you stop making the same mistakes. There are 5 common error types. Error type 1. Ignoring time markers. Always find the time word first. Eoja is yesterday. O Newell is today. Ne-il is tomorrow. Ggium is now. Error type 2. Particle confusion. This is probably the most common mistake for foreign learners. Error type 3. Missing negation words. A ni da, an, mo, eop da. These completely change the meaning. Error type 4. Reading only part of the passage. For main idea questions, you must read everything. And error type 5. Confusing similar words like chubda and shi one ha da. Or a chim and a chim bap. Let's take a short culture break. Mike, tell me about Korean study culture. There are study cafes in Korea called Seu Teo di Cafe, where you pay by the hour for a quiet study space. That's brilliant. No distractions, just studying. Maybe that's why Korean students do so well. There's also the famous BBALE culture. BBALE means hurry hurry or quickly quickly. That applies to the TOPIK exam too. BBALE, read quickly. Answer quickly. Move on quickly. Let's summarize the key strategies for questions 21 to 40. Strategy 1. Read the title of notices first. The title tells you the main topic immediately. Strategy 2. For detailed questions, find the specific information, numbers, dates, days, times. Strategy 3. For fill in the blank, check the context before and after the blank. Strategy 4. For ordering questions, find the connector words first, geu re seo, geu rienda, geu re go. Strategy 5. For main idea questions, the first sentence usually contains the central topic. Excellent review today, Sarah. We covered 20 questions, 5 error types, and 5 key strategies. And remember, error analysis is your best friend. When you get something wrong, ask why. In Korean, there's a saying, Silpe nun seong gong awi eo mio ni. Failure is the mother of success. That's beautiful. Every wrong answer is a step toward getting it right. Keep studying. Next time, Lesson 8, the first full mock exam. Get ready to test everything you have learned. Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing Korean every day, and you will succeed. Waiting. That means you can do it in Korean. Goodbye everyone. Waiting. See you in Lesson 8.